Hell yeah.
Yo, cuts by Reggie. This is gonna be quick. All right. I haven't did a tool revisit in a while, but one of the main trimmers that's been the talk of the town lately is the Andis, the GTX Cordless, the Exos. So we're gonna kind of just revisit that. All right, just real quick. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, dislike, share the videos. Stay engaged, all right? 5,000 subscribers. Whenever I get there, I'm trying to hit it before the end of the year, but whenever I get there, we got a big giveaway, right? So we're not gonna be here all day. I've already done a full review of the T outliners, all right? They are from Andis. A lot of people was waiting on them, and they came, all right? They $254 if you buy them from the website. So my main focus is to answer the question that if these trimmers are worth the buy. Okay, so fresh out the box, great trimmers, like I said before. All right, they very light, but 254, 260, definitely not worth that. And I said that before because I liked them. All right, I like the trimmers fresh out the box. They was giving me the lines that I wanted. They was real crispy. All right, but they was not worth that price point of 254. Now this is a month later. After I've used them, I bought me another pair. I actually got 3, but we're gonna explain why I got 3. All right, so we got another pair, and I still been using them. That's why this is gonna be a not tricky, but it's gonna be a different type of opinion. This is all my opinion. This is not the for sure. It's not the go-to. It's not the rule of thumb. It's none of that. It's just my opinion that I'm telling you guys. All right. So you buy the Andis, you buy the Andis, the GTX Cordless, the Exo for $254 from their website. That was one problem that a lot of people, including me, even though I bought a few of them, that's one thing that I did have a problem with, that $254 price point. All right. Only because there's so many other trimmers out there that's speaking of, you got the Babeless FX, the gold one. This is one of the best trimmers. It took me a while to get the love in this, but it's one of the best trimmers on the market. Okay. So at $254 from the actual Andis website is definitely not the price point that you want to pay for a trimmer. I know now that there's other websites that you can get them for $190. I've seen them as low as $185. That's the lowest I've seen them. There are some people that's been commenting saying they're getting them lower. I haven't seen those. Maybe you got stores in your cities that might got them cheaper, but they definitely not worth that $254 price point. Fresh out the box though, they was cutting. They was chopping. I mean, I was going. I mean, I was in there. All right. So I did buy me a second pair. I bought me a second pair so I can, because I didn't want to set this one. It was good. I didn't want to mess with the setting on there. All right. Excuse me. I didn't want to mess with the setting on the original. So I did buy me a second one so I can mess with, maybe put a Andis, a regular T outliner blade on there. But guess what happened when I got the second one? The original one, this is not the original one, but the original one that I did buy, all of a sudden started tugging on her. It started pulling when you go against the grain. Like when you're trying to ball anything out, it wasn't working. The sound of it, I don't know if you can hear the difference in these sounds. But this one just got a little, it still cuts, but it just got a little bit more rattle to it that wasn't there originally. All right. If y'all follow S Craft Blends, shout out to Shannon. If y'all follow S Craft Blends, he also had the same experiences I had from different, like me, when I came in from a day off and I'm just ready to go. It just didn't cut. The second pair that I bought was tugging on her, pulling. It just wasn't right. All right. So I ended up bought another one. The original one, it just wasn't cutting no more. I didn't want to mess with the blade. I found me one of those websites where I got them for $190. I didn't pay the $254 the third time, but I did get them for $190. All right, and they cool. The main question is it worth the $254? No. And I said that. And I also was saying, if they brought it down to a $180 price point, would it be worth it? And I said yes. And then these came out. These powerful babies came out. Look, man, they still only giving us that rotary motor, 100 minutes of runtime. They threw a gold blade on it, cut the end. I still like them. I still use them. I still use them day in and day out. I tag team them with, I got a little three runner over here. You know what I'm saying? Different places, whatever. Because this is still, the way that this is set is still good. This one is still good going against the grain up under the birds. It's very soft on kids. This one kind of tugs. It still can get a decent line, but I don't use this one. I just got this one. But it can still give you a decent line. You get what I'm saying? But when you got Babyliss, when you got Gamma, Stylecraft, you got Caliber putting out some pretty decent trimmers, longer run time, better motor, lighter, quieter, these are definitely not worth the buy. I know I said they was at first. And if you can afford to try them out, I still say try them out. But for the people who still on the fence about which ones to get, or should I try the Exos out? No. And that's coming from me, my opinion. And that's coming from me, and I like them. I still use them. But they're not even worth that 180 price point. When you got the Gold FXs, you got the FX3s, you got the 22 Stingers from Caliber, you got the Evos, the X Evos, that's all cheaper than this. And if you getting this from a website where it's 180, 190, you might as well buy this. Spend your little bit and get this. Get you the FX3. Or if you don't even want to get that, get the FX, the Gold FXs. This is me after a month. After a month of using the T outliners, the Exos, and they're just not worth it. They don't hold a good run time. They start to rattle. After a while, they start tugging on skin, and that's me. I've had that same situation with 2 out of the 3 that I've bought. This one, still going. But if you got 2 out of 3 that's giving you those same exact problems, there's a problem. Don't waste your money. Let it be. All right? That's my opinion. It's still, this one's still giving me, this was the second one I bought. The original one is gone somewhere. But this was the second one I bought. Still giving me good lines. Still good against the grain. As of now, still soft and good on kids. So I use this for my little fine tuning. All right. But that's my opinion. If you got the money and you still want to try something out, try them out. I don't have a discount code for those. I don't have a discount code for the Babyliss. So when it comes to those, I can't really help you. But if you want to get something from Caliber, use the discount code Reggie15. Or if you want to get something from Gamma/Stylecraft, use the discount code Cuts by Reggie, and you can save some money on some trimmers that's already cheaper than these Exos, and it's giving you longer run time on a few different ones, and it got a better motor, and it got better blades. And if you don't like the blades, you can hit up Elite Clipper Mods and modify them with a good trimmer and a good blade. All right? Phone's ringing, not gonna answer. It's Sunday. We're closed on Sunday. I work on appointments only. But anyway, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you dislike the video, hit the thumbs down button, comment, share, subscribe. 5,000 subscribers, we got a great giveaway coming. I'm talking to a few different people to get some quote unquote custom items to be included in this giveaway. So it's gonna be pretty decent. All right. So that's my opinion. That's my revisit. I think the last product that I revisited was a 22 Stinger, which I still like. I don't use it because I got a lot of other stuff. And these are the best trimmers to use. So if you want my opinion on the best trimmer to buy, there you go. Cuts by Reggie. I'm out. Peace.